Ever felt like you're drowning in paperwork, struggling to keep track of customer information, and wishing there was a simpler way to manage it all? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into ServiceTitan and exploring how to effortlessly create and manage customer profiles. This will not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance your customer relationships. In today's fast-paced world, efficient customer management is crucial for any successful service business. From scheduling appointments to tracking service history, having a centralized system like ServiceTitan can make a world of difference. But where do you even begin? How do you create a customer profile that accurately reflects their needs and preferences? Step-by-step guide. Accessing the Customer tab. Let's start by navigating to the Customers tab within your ServiceTitan dashboard. You'll typically find this in the main navigation bar. Once you're on the Customers page, you have a few options. You can either create a new customer from scratch by clicking the New Customer button, or you can import customer data from an existing spreadsheet if you have one. Creating a new customer. Let's focus on creating a new customer profile. The first step is to enter the customer's name and company name, if applicable. Next, you'll want to provide their contact information, including phone number, email address, and mailing address. ServiceTitan allows you to add multiple contact numbers and email addresses, which is incredibly helpful for businesses with multiple points of contact within a household or company. Don't forget to include the customer's preferred communication method, whether they prefer phone calls, text messages, or emails, adding essential details. Now let's add some crucial details. Customer type. Define whether the customer is a residential, commercial, or property management client. This categorization helps you tailor your service offerings and communication accordingly. Service locations. If a customer has multiple service locations, like a property management company with several properties, you can easily add them within ServiceTitan. Equipment information. This is where you can record details about the customer's equipment, think HVAC systems, plumbing fixtures, appliances, etc. This information is invaluable for service technicians and helps you provide more accurate quotes and faster service. Personalizing the customer profile. Let's add a personal touch to the customer profile. Customer notes. This is a valuable space to add any relevant notes about the customer's preferences, service history, communication style, or any other important information that will help your team provide better service. Custom fields. ServiceTitan allows you to create custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. For example, if you're a pool service company, you might create custom fields for pool size, type of pool, or preferred cleaning frequency. Assigning a customer to a team. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you can assign the customer to a specific team or technician within your organization. This ensures that the right people have access to the customer's information and are responsible for their service needs. Leveraging customer insights. Now that you've created a comprehensive customer profile, you can start leveraging the power of ServiceTitan's insights. Service history. ServiceTitan automatically tracks all service appointments, invoices, and payments associated with a customer. This provides a complete history of interactions, making it easy to identify recurring issues, track service trends, and ensure consistent service quality. Communication logs. All communication with a customer, whether it's phone calls, emails, or text messages, is logged within ServiceTitan. This provides a valuable record of interactions and helps you maintain a consistent communication history. Benefits of creating detailed customer profiles. Improved customer service. With access to comprehensive customer information, your team can provide more personalized and efficient service. Increased productivity. Streamlined data entry and easy access to customer information save your team time and effort, allowing them to focus on providing service. Enhanced communication. Consistent communication history helps you maintain strong customer relationships and avoid any misunderstandings. Better decision-making. Access to historical data and customer insights allows you to make informed decisions about service offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies. Tips and best practices. Keep it consistent. Ensure your team consistently follows the same process for creating customer profiles to maintain data accuracy and consistency across your organization. Regularly review and update. Regularly review and update customer profiles to ensure the information is accurate and up-to-date. Utilize custom fields effectively. Create custom fields that are relevant to your specific business needs and use them consistently to capture valuable information. Train your team. Provide proper training to your team on how to effectively create, manage, and utilize customer profiles within ServiceTitan. Creating comprehensive customer profiles in ServiceTitan is a foundational step towards building strong customer relationships and streamlining your service operations. By taking the time to accurately and consistently enter customer information, you'll empower your team to provide exceptional service, improve efficiency, and ultimately grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.